Hi, welcome to Marie in the Middle. So today I'm gonna set up the Flipper Zero. This is the box if you haven't seen my unboxing yet. So this is how the box looks like. And this is where the USB is. And this is where the Flipper Zero is. Okay, so just a very quick unboxing for you. So I think it is essential to tell you the parts if you're watching this for the first time. Hold on for a sec. Okay, this is the LCD. This is a 5-button directional pad, like a joystick. This is the back button. Can you see the arrow pointing that way? And this is the micro SD card slot. This is a lanyard loop. This is, hold on, let's see, infrared transceiver, 1-wire pogo pins, GPIO pins. So what else? What is this? USB-C type. So this is where you put your C-type USB. Okay. So this is it. It says hold on for a sec. It says here, make sure to insert the micro SD card as depicted. Flipper Zero supports card up to 256 gigabytes, but 16 gigabytes should be enough. So I have different USB card, but I'm gonna use for now the 4 gigabytes because they said that 4 gigabyte is enough to set things up. So it says here that when you put the SD card, this side where the gold are should be facing up. So can you see it? There you go. Okay, did you hear the click? And then after that, it says here, hold the back arrow for 3 seconds to turn on. So I'm gonna peel this. And hold this for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! It says, hey, mate, press the forward button to continue. This one. Or I'm pressing it, but nothing is happening. So it says, I don't know what's happening. It says press this to continue. Oh, I wonder what's happening. I'm gonna read the manual. It says here, hold for 3 seconds to update the firmware. Connect your device to your computer with a USB. And go to update Flipper 0.1. Okay. So I guess what I'm gonna do is to update the firmware. Okay, so there you go, so you can see better. So this is the USB. There you go. Oh, no, now it's saying something. Okay, it says, allow me to introduce myself. I don't know. Why is it taking time? So this is real time, guys, real time. So you may encounter this. Oh, okay. It says, I am LLAS7ON, a cyber dolphin living in your pocket. Can you read it, guys? Okay, so. Is it my nails? Here, I can grow smart and cool if you use me often. As long as you read, write, and emulate. Oh, it's double click. There, hold on. It says firmware update. Firmware update needed. Please update firmware before using this feature. flip.dev//upd. Okay, so we're gonna update it. Okay, download my Mac. Okay. It says firmware, database is missing, hardware. Okay, I'm gonna click update. Update. There you go. It's updating. Oh. Writing flash. Extracting resources. Okay, so this is a live event, so I'm gonna go through this. So you can see what's the happening in the real time. I'm not gonna edit this. So we will all see the process and how much time it takes. Okay, I'm not editing this, guys. This is a real time. Sorry, I keep on repeating it. Okay, what's going on? It says firmware update success. Okay, this is the arrow. Okay. 112, 1.1.2, build date today, 93%, free SD card, databases installed, hardware is 12.f, radio frequency 1.20.0. There you go. It says here, well, I cannot read it. Success, okay. It says, oh wait. What is the timing of the, the arrow button? Mood happy. It says, here's the mood is happy, level 1. Okay. Do you double tap? Do you double press the arrow button? Okay. do you press this button? So as a new user, I don't know what is the right thing to do. Should I double tap this? Should I press this middle? If I want to go back to see the previous one, should I do this? But it's not doing anything, right? So I set it up and you see it live. And now I'm gonna figure out what am I gonna do next. So that is my experience using the Flipper Zero as my experience for setting it up. So guys, I don't know where will I go from here. So I'm gonna go back to the Flipper Zero website to see what will be my next step. So I'm also wondering, does this USB cord helps it charge? I think it's charging too, right? Because I can see a green button, green light. So yeah, okay, so see you again after I figure out what to do next. Thanks for watching. Marie in the middle. Subscribe.